This is a message from the government about this bank holiday weekend and keeping yourself, your friends and family safe from coronavirus. This is a message from the government about this bank holiday weekend and keeping yourself, your friends and family safe from coronavirus. This is a message from the government about this bank holiday weekend and keeping yourself, your friends and family safe from coronavirus.
In order to help keep key workers safe, I decided to print PPE face masks on my 3D printers. In just a few weeks, I'd managed to print just over 200 face masks, which will go to key workers to keep them safe on the front line of the coronavirus. This allowed me to turn plastic into PPE masks. I've also designed and printed some handles that allow people to open doors without having to come in contact with the handle. This allows them to reduce the risk of catching the virus when they're out shopping or working as an essential worker. 50% of all profits from these will go to the NHS, and the other half will go towards providing materials to allow me to print more face masks for people on the front line. Everything that I'm doing within my business to help COVID-19 is all documented on my website, 3dprintingwithjake.co.uk. I also have a GoFundMe page where people can donate to help provide materials and resources to make these face masks. Hi, my name is Jake Lay-Flurrie and I run 3D Printing with Jake, a small 3D printing business based in the UK. In order to help with the COVID-19 outbreak, I've decided to print face masks, create door handles and start a GoFundMe to help raise money for the NHS and people on the front line. I've done this by using all the resources I have for my business to create face masks for those on the front line. So far I've created 200 face masks and I'm going to look to donate them within the next week. I'm aiming for another 200 within the next month, and I hope to be helping people on the front line as much as I can, in the small ways that make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Matti for starting this film competition and allowing us to share what we're doing at home to help fight the coronavirus.